Alrighty, so this is the test case video for Lab 6. So we're right now, most of the tests are going to be on the easy board of Sudoku. So let's do the first test case. Let's put in like D1 and a 4. So that worked. It puts in there. Okay, so let's do a lowercase c and a 2 for the next test case. So it still goes through, and we can put a 1, and it puts it in the board where we want. Now let's do a 7C. So this one's testing if the number comes first. So 0.62. So if we put in a 6, and then if we look, that puts it in there. So that's good. Then if we do an A1, so this should give us an error that spot's already filled, and it is. So now we can't put it even though we have a valid input. If we do like R9, that's like an invalid input, so it won't break the code or anything. Same thing with like A11 if we have a invalid number in there. If we type in like a random string, it won't do anything, won't break the code. So now if we test on the next board, the hard one, so we can do a quick boundary test. So we can go I1 and there, so it works there. And then the last one, we could go A9 and we can just put anything there and it works. So that's the test case video for Lab 6.